Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create new Gmail account on your phone. For that, open your Gmail. Now choose whichever medium you want to set up your email. For now, I am choosing Google. Then select create account and add your all personal credentials. Create a strong password and hit next. Now add your mobile phone number and hit next. Now you have created your Gmail account. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.